First deal. Game plan from analysis to offer. Now that you understand the fundamentals, it's time to build your action plan. Getting your first multifamily deal doesn't happen by luck. It happens by following a clear, repeatable process. Here's your beginner-friendly roadmap from research to offer. Step 1. Define your investment criteria. Before you even start searching, you need clarity. What size property are you targeting? What markets fit your strategy? How much capital are you ready to deploy? Your criteria keep you focused and stop you from chasing shiny objects. Step 2. Build your market shortlist. Choose 2 to 3 markets that match your goals. Look for job growth, population growth, healthy vacancy rates, and balanced supply. Once you pick your markets, you'll analyze deals faster and with more confidence. Step 3. Start finding deals. Use brokers, online listing platforms, property managers, and networking groups. Set alerts, review new listings daily, and build relationships with local brokers. They often bring the best deals to familiar buyers. First, Step 4. Run your initial numbers. The moment you receive a deal, plug the numbers into your analysis. Check NOI, cap rate, projected rents, expenses, and DSCR. Your goal here isn't perfection. It's to filter quickly and move the good deals forward. Step 5. Tour the property. Walk the exterior, tour the units, talk to tenants if possible, and check the neighborhood. You're looking for condition, layout, deferred maintenance, and real operational performance. Properties look different in person. Trust the inspection, not just the pro forma. Step 6. Dig into the financials. Review the rent roll, T12 financials, utility bills, tax history, and maintenance expenses. Look for trends. Are rents stable? Are expenses rising? Is the property well managed? This step separates the strong deals from the risky ones. Step 7. Build your business plan. Decide how you'll improve the property. Will you raise rents? Reduce expenses? Renovate units? Improve management? A clear business plan shows where your returns are coming from. Step 8. Submit your offer. Once you're confident, it's time to make your move. Base your offer on your underwriting, not the seller's wish price. Include your timelines, contingencies, and financing plan. Your offer doesn't need to be the highest. It needs to be the smartest. Winning your first multifamily deal comes from strategy, not guesswork. Stay disciplined, follow your checklist, and move with confidence. In Part 6, we'll wrap up the series by uncovering the biggest mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them entirely.